Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Check out this bacon. Alright guys, you want to know what I'm going to do today? Well, I'm not going to show you my face because I just took a shower after going on a long walk with Link and I have mascara all over my face, girl. So, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Today I am doing a collaboration with Burnt Ginger. Now, she has an amazing channel, you guys. She is a new YouTuber, and she's already lost 60 pounds in just 5 months on keto. She is killing the keto game. She's doing amazing. You can totally see how much she's lost in this short 5 months. It's insane, you guys. She is rocking it. She pumps out videos. She's very active on Instagram. She makes amazing food. So we're going to do a recipe swap. And I'm cooking this bacon for that recipe swap. So what I know I need is a package of bacon. I need some broccoli. Now it calls for a fresh head of broccoli, but I don't have that. I have some frozen broccoli. It calls for some ranch dressing. And it calls for some chicken and some heavy cream. And a few other things. I have this chicken breast that is already cooked up. I'm going to take advantage of it because it's just me. I can't have all this stuff laying around until my kids get home because nobody's going to eat it but me. So, first step was to start cooking your bacon. So that's what I'm doing. The next step is to take your chicken and cook it until it's no longer pink. Now my chicken is already pre-cooked, so I'm just going to cook this around, and I did drain the bacon grease out. Cook this around until it's hot and warm. And just get it nice and cooked, and then I will add in the broccoli, the ranch, and the cream. Alright, so in this dish I have what is equivalent to a whole head of broccoli. I have half a cup of heavy whipping cream. I have 1 cup of ranch and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to mix this all together. And then I crumbled up the bacon and I cooked it a little bit longer alongside the chicken. And the recipe calls for a garlic powder, I think a garlic salt or an onion powder, but I decided to go with fresh Jax, smoky sea salt, and garlic herb. I love fresh Jax. I do have a 15% off discount code if you too want to order from Fresh Jax in my description box. So those are the seasonings that I use. This is ready to go. Once I mix this up, I'm going to mix that in as well. And I'm going to put it into my casserole dish, and I'm going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. See you soon. Alright, now it's ready to go in the oven. I did go ahead and put a little bit more cheddar cheese on top. This looks really good, you guys. And I am so very, very excited. See you in 25 minutes. Oh my word. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. This looks so freaking good. Oh my god. The cheese is bubbling. The chicken and the bacon have combined to make a glorious concoction. I don't know what I'm talking about. This looks really good, you guys. Like professional. I am going to plate it up. I'm also going to make myself a little side salad, and I'll show you it on my plate. Here it is plated up, guys. I topped this with some salt, pepper, garlic salt from Fresh Jax. I know I kind of put a lot there. That's going to be weird. And here it is. The Star Shopper. The Star Shopper? The Showstopper. I tasted this, you guys, and oh my god. This is really good. I'm going to link the recipe down below, as well as a link to Burnt Ginger's page. Sorry, take a bite. She is making my enchilada recipe. So she's going to make it a little bit different. I think she said she was going to use chicken in it. So I'm really curious how to see. So I'm really curious to see how that turns out. Again, sorry I am not showing my face. I have mascara all over it and I don't feel like it. But this is amazing. All right, guys, have a good one.